Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 0.4, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and locate the hotspot toggle, which looks to be turned off by default. So I'm going to tap on this pencil right here. This will show me toggles that are turned off. So let's scroll down and you can see hotspot is one of them right here. So once you find it, hold the toggle. As you can see, it will vibrate and change the text right here. Drag here to remove. So we're just going to drag it over to the top and then go back, which will now add this toggle to our list right here. So once you have the toggle in your toggles, you want to hold it. This will then take you to the settings. Now you want to hold it only the first time around. And the reason for that is, if you navigate into Wi-Fi Hotspot right here, you'll see that we have a hotspot password. And this password is randomly generated, so without actually checking it, you have no way of knowing what it is. So you can utilize this one, but what I would actually recommend doing is removing it and then setting up your own password. Now it can be letters or numbers. I'm just going to use simple numbers right here and a very simple password on top of that. There we go. And once you have set your password, which does need to have at least 8 characters in length, you can tap on OK and this will automatically save it. And that's the only thing that I recommend changing in here. So you can close this now. You can now find the toggle once more, and whenever you want to use it, all you need to do is simply tap on it. It will turn on your hotspot and you can connect to it now. And once you're done with it, tap on it once more and this will turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.